Corrosive substances can cause severe chemical burns. It's therefore important to wear appropriate personal protective equipment and strictly follow the garment donning and doffing procedures which will be explained in this video. The first task is to choose protective items which are appropriate to the risks being incurred, the nature of the hazardous substance, and the working rules and procedures. Bring everything you need, coverall, gloves, to the garment donning area. Make sure you choose a coverall of the correct size that matches your body height and your chest girth. Only properly fitting clothing can give the user comfort and full protection. Clothing which is too small restricts your movements, but if it's too big, it can easily get caught in machinery, for example, putting your safety at risk, and it may also lead to heat build-up inside the coverall, thus compromising your comfort. Put on safety apparel in a clean and uncontaminated environment. Remove clothing from the upper body and remove any sharp objects that could damage the protective clothing or restrict your movements. To put on the equipment, sit down or lean against a hard surface in order to avoid falling. Put the coverall on. Put your boots on. Pull the cuffs over the boots. Do not tuck them inside the boots. This will avoid contaminating the inside of the boots and ensure the dissipation of electrostatic energy. Put the hood on. Fully fasten the zip and allow your colleague to tape the zipper flap without folds or creases. Let your colleague tape the chin flap in order to tighten the passage between the mask and the hood. In this example, the operator puts on the gloves first and pulls the sleeve of the coverall over the glove. Put a helmet with a visor on. Follow all safety instructions when working and avoid unnecessary contact with the corrosive substance. Personal protective equipment helps to protect you against the hazards during all your work steps, during repeated exposures, and against significant exposure during accidents, such as a broken pipe. Once the operation is completed, go to the garment doffing area to correctly remove the PPE and avoid any risk of contamination. Allow your colleague, who wears the appropriate PPE, to remove your helmet. And pull the zip down to your navel and peel off the coverall inside out, making sure that the potentially contaminated surface remains on the inside. The colleague takes hold of the gloves with the arms of the coverall in order to remove them. Then your colleague uses the coverall legs to hold the boots and helps you take them off. Be sure to place your feet on an uncontaminated surface. The colleague rolls up the contaminated overall and the tape and places them in a hazardous waste bag. Even if it's not contaminated, the coverall is single-use and must be disposed of.